Welcome to day 6 of 25 days of Excel mastery. My name is Said Abdulgafar, and today we'll be talking about creating charts from your data. How to create charts from your data. And chart is part of what you use in data visualization. Let's get started. Now, this is our data that we use on our challenge day 5. Still the same data that we want to use today. What we have to do is that we want to create a bar chart with this data. So what we just need to do is to click on those numbers, drag them through. Once you are done with that, the next thing to do is to insert. So come down here, the arrow at the down part towards the right, the arrow at point of, click on it. Once you click on it, now click on this home to go and choose insert. After you click on insert, you see something like chart or recommended, either of the two. So let me click on chart. Once you see charts, so based on this, I want to create a bar chart. If it is a column chart you want to create, you need to create a column chart. One thing is that you must know the best visualization for any of your data. With this kind of data, the best visualization is to use a bar chart or column chart. But I want to use bar chart. Once I click on bar chart, so it gives me different chart type. For me, I don't need categorical chart. I need just simple bar chart. I click on the first one. Now that I've clicked on the first one, everything is here. Now, if you're looking at this thing, it might be difficult to actually get the I'm sorry, I've not been able to get this thing right. I'm supposed to click on this right and the likes. Let me go back a bit. Let me go back once more. And delete. I'm supposed to click on everything. Now I've clicked on everything. Good. Then go back, click on the arrow, then the row, insert. So insert charts. So bar charts. This one. Good. You can see everything is selected and everything we have easily identified and labeled. We have our chart title. Alright. We have our chart title here, the amount. So good. Now that everything is here, I can now rearrange this thing basically in either ascending or descending order. So to do so, I'll still need to go down here, click on this chart, go to home. Once I get to home, the next thing for me to do is to click on, okay, let's just click on our data bar. So let's click on everything from the amount down to yes. Now I'm here. You can see sort and filter are now applicable. I click on sort and filter. Now once I click on ascending, the chart will descend in terms of value. If I click on descending, I will get it. So let's click on ascending here. You can see as we click on ascending, our data have all been ascended. So let's check for the descending order. What's happened with our rise? Why is it not following the pattern? Let's go back and check on our data again. Maybe we didn't pick the rise. Let's see. Let's again sort and filter descending. Okay, good. Let's check for ascending then. Ascending. Good. Good. You can see everything is perfect. This is perfect. So this is how you create charts. Different set of charts. You can also edit your charts. So if you want to edit your charts, when you click on the chart, maybe you click on the chart, you can see that this menu bar of chart has shown up. So there you can now arrange the layout, the style, or you switch row to column, as the case may be. You can see. So different your style you can change them. Let's say you want to pick this one, you can see what doesn't make sense, but to let's say it still makes some sense. So style, what is the best one? The first one is the best one. Then you can add the element of your chart too. Axis title, the axis. So chart title, data labels, the labels, they are known. If you want to add label, you can add label outside end. You can see the label are there. Chart title above the chart is there already. If you center the value, you can see. So chart title above the chart. So also axis, the primary horizontal axis, they are there. Primary vertical axis, they are there as well. No, they're not there. So I've removed it. Axis, vertical axis, they're not there now. Alright. Then data table. If you want to put table there, if you want to put grid lines, you can add grid line. Horizontal line, you can see. So all these things are what you can do in this your normal Excel for mobile. So this is where we're going to stop today till tomorrow when we're going for day 7. Don't forget to click like and share button. Thank you very much. Bye for now.